Good day. For this video, I created a program that prints 3 loops in a different method inside a single class. So I have here my codes. We have here the class name loops and the static main method, and the codes here inside the main method is used to summon the name of the methods that needs to be printed. So for the first loop, we are asked to print the values 50 down to 0. So here I declared in line 14 the value of a is equal to 50 and is conditioned to be greater than or equal to 0, and its value decreases every iteration. So here in line 15, the system will print a alongside with comma. The purpose of this comma is just to create separation between the numbers that needs to be printed. So if we try to call this method, we can see that it printed the values 50 down to 0. So let's proceed to the second loop. For the second loop, we are asked to print the values 0 up to 100, but as I noticed, it only printed the even numbers. So here in line 20, I declare the value of b equals to 1 and its conditioned to be less than or equal to 100, and its value increases every iteration. And if the value of b is divisible by 2 and has 0 remainder, then the system will print it alongside with the comma. So if we try to call this method, we can see that the program printed the value of 2 up to 100. So let's proceed to the third loop. And for the third loop, we are asked to print the values 1 to 1024, but I noticed that there is a pattern. Here, the system only printed the value of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 up to 1024. So here in line 27, I declare the value of c equals to 1 and is conditioned to be less than or equal to 1024. But unlike the first two loops, here instead of incrementing or decrementing the value of c, here I declare the value of c multiplied to the value equal to 2. So the system will print the c alongside with the comma. And let's check if this code works. So as you can see, the program printed the value of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and 512, and 1024, just like the sample given to us. So that's it for this video, and thank you.